Welcome to the second video for our project of creating a Pinterest board for your academic purposes at Belle Plaine High School. What I would like you to do is simply be on the Google Chrome screen. You'll notice on the top, I have the general address bar, and then over to the right, I have a variety of icons, and all of those are Google Chrome extensions that I use quite frequently. For example, the purple puzzle piece is Google Read and Write. The green little face there is a Bitmoji icon. And the one I want to draw your attention to today is the Pinterest. It's the typical logo of the red circle with the white P in the middle. I have that right there on every one of my Google screens, and it gives me quick and easy access and interaction with Pinterest as I'm working on things. I want you to have that kind of easy access also. So I'm going to show you how to get that Google Chrome extension on your screen too. If you would take your arrow, please, and go up to the three dots in the top right-hand corner. I click on those three dots, and I am going to walk my way down to More Tools. That opens up another menu, and then I will click the word Extensions. You will see this is the screen of extensions that I already have established. You probably don't have Pinterest established, so what you would do is you would just type in Pinterest on your screen, and you will see it right there. I want you to make sure that when you see details or whatever it is, that you do want to add this extension. Okay, so please add the extension as given. And when you go to this extension screen, I want you to make sure also that you have this blue button slid over. Sliding this blue button over makes the P appear. So for example, if I turn that button to the off position, I don't have the Pinterest P up here. I want it there, so I'm going to turn it on so I have that Pinterest icon. You'll notice that on this screen, the Pinterest red has turned to kind of a Pinterest dark gray because pinning is not a feature that's allowed on this particular screen. But as soon as I change screens and go to something that is pinnable, you will see that trademark red come back. So would you please go to your Google Chrome extensions and make sure Pinterest is enabled, and then you also will see that P established on your screen. Please take a few minutes and give yourself screen access to Pinterest.